Good morning, dear children. Hope you all are safe and well. Today's subject is Maths. Today we will learn about solids and its shapes. Now let us learn what is the meaning of solids. Look at this soap. It has a fixed shape. It has length, width and height. We cannot change its shape by pressing it. So, we can say solid has fixed shape. And also, they are hard things. Objects that have definite shape are called solids. Solids can roll and slide. Dear children, please open your maths textbook, page number 16. Look at the picture given below. Now, in this page, we can see many types of solids. So, let us name one by one. Ball, post box, cone ice cream, dice, box, battery cell, box, chalk box, flower pot, top, carrot, pomegranate, Chinese checker, matchbox, apple, book, candle, container, pipe, balloon, box and sand heap. So, now we can say solids are of different shapes: circle, triangle, cylinder, rectangle and square. Let us learn circle. We see many circle-shaped objects like ball, pomegranate, apple, balloon, etc. Square. We see many square-shaped objects around us like dice, biscuits, Chinese checker, mat, carom board, etc. A square shape has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. All sides of a square are equal. All sides of the square shapes are equal. So that's why we are calling that shape is square. Triangle. There are many triangle shaped things around us like carrot, cone ice cream, joker cap, birthday cap, ice cream pieces, etc. A triangle has 3 sides. For example, 1, 2, 3. So, 1, 2, 3. So, these 3 sides shaped things we are calling triangle. Next, rectangle. We see many rectangle shaped objects around us like books, box, chalk box, matchbox, etc. Next, cylinder. We can see many cylindrical shaped objects like pipes, container, candle, etc. Dear children, now look at the page 17. Objects of the same shape can be grouped. Observe the following. Now look at that all the pictures. They are grouped. Now you have to write the name of that group. First group pictures are related to circle shape. Second group, candle, container, pipe. These are examples of cylinder shape. Next, box, matchbox. These are examples of rectangle shape. Cone ice cream, carrot, flower pot, tops. These all examples of triangle shape. Next, dice, chalk box, Chinese checker. These all examples of square shape. Now look at page number 18. Objects of the same shape can be grouped. Observe the following. Match the objects of same shape. Now look at their pictures. Circle and box. This is in rectangle shape. One more box. This is in square shape. Here also given same thing. So now you have to match one by one. Circle to circle, rectangle to rectangle, and square to square. Look at the next one. Color the same shapes with the same colors as directed. Now here many shapes are there. For first one, which shape is that? Yes, that is square. For square shape, you have to give red color. Next, circle, blue color. Triangle, green color. Cylinder, yellow color. And rectangle, pink color. Now look at there, many objects, many pictures are there related to these shapes. First picture is bread. Bread is in square shape. For the square shape, you have to give red color. So look at other pictures and look at their shape related to that, give color. Movement of objects. One object's movement depends on its shape. There are two types, rolling and sliding. Shapes affect movements like rolling and sliding. Pipes, balls are rolled down from hilly slopes. Round-shaped tire helps vehicles to move by rolling. So we can roll round slides. We need to pull solids which are not round. So this is called sliding. Now rolling means which objects are in round shape or cylindrical shape. These objects are rolling one place to another place. Which things are in square shape or rectangle shape? These things are, we need to pull these things. So this one we are calling sliding. Now look at the page number 19. Here tick right the object that rolls. Look at the picture. Dice, ball, cone ice cream and wheel. Now you have to tick right mark for the rolling object. Dice, it cannot roll. So ball, put right mark for ball. It is rolling object. Cone ice cream is rolling object. And tire or wheel, it is also rolling object. Now next, color the objects that slide. Which things are sliding? Now already you know which things are square and rectangle shape. These things are sliding. So give color, any your favorite color you can give for this box and for this box, because these two things are sliding. Ball and pipe, they are not sliding, they are rolling. Now turn the page. Observe the shape of top surface of the given objects. Now name these pictures. Coin, mat, postcard, Chinese checker, mat, biscuit, CD, one more biscuit, scale, biscuit and cardboard. Here you can see many different types of objects or different types of solids. Now, objects of the same shape have been grouped. Observe them. Now, again here they were grouped. Look at their coin, CD and biscuit. These all now you know that these are example for circle. So, once again write there circle. CIRCLE. Mat, Chinese checker and biscuit. These are example for which shape? Yes, square. SQUARE, square. Now, scale, mat, postcard and cardboard. These all example for rectangle shape. So, write there rectangle. Now, tick write the shape which is similar to the given shape. Now, look at there. In a side, there are some shapes pictures given. Related to that shape, you have to tick write the picture. Now, first shape is square. Look at the picture. Mat, cardboard, postcard, biscuit. In this, mat and biscuit are example for the square shape. So, put right mark mat and biscuit. Next, circle. You have to put right mark for the circle shaped things, objects. Now, ball, biscuit, mat and CD. So, in this ball and CD are circle shaped objects. Now, rectangle, tick write the rectangle shaped objects. Coin, mat, Chinese checker, soap. In this, mat and soap are example for the rectangle shape. Triangle, CD, biscuit, cardboard and postcard. In this, biscuit is in triangle shape. So, put right mark for the biscuit. Dear children, now look at the next page. Color the different shapes by different colors. Now you have to color. Now please look at the picture. For the shape wise you have to give color. Right there. For the triangle shape, give red color. Red. All triangle shapes. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 triangle shapes are there. For that all triangle shape you have to give red color. Next, for the circle you have to give yellow color. Yellow. So, circle 1, 2, 3 circles are there. For that 3 circles you have to give yellow color. Next, for a rectangle you have to give, for the rectangle you have to give green color. Green. So, only one rectangle shape is there. So, you have to give green color for this shape. This one no need to write in your textbook. For your knowledge, I am written here. Now, look at the second picture. For the circle, here also same thing. Circle, same color. Give sky blue color. Give blue color here. For square, give orange color. For the rectangle you have to give pink color. Here also, here, and for the triangle give their red color, red. The next page, observe the shapes given below and their names. Repeat the names. Now once again picture and that picture's shapes name also given. So please repeat that: circle, triangle, rectangle, square. Now one more picture is given. For which shape, which color you have to give, that already directed here. Like that, give the color and finish your work. Dear children, next page is not there because of corona. This page is cancelled. So don't write anything in this page.